Hi guys. Today we discuss topic about that how we can fix the mobile friendly issues. So a lot of people are making a website, but major mistake is called mobile usable issues. So how we can resolve by the mobile usable issues. This is a very important key points on the particular each and every website users. So once you are creating any website, coming to this option, what are the search will be there? The major important is called mobile usable issues. Why they coming for mobile usable issues? In this, they got for 44 errors. The meanwhile, text too small to read. So people will be can't read your text will be in the particular option. That is a fail will be in the particular validation. Clickable element to close together. So these are the issues we are facing for in the particular errors will be here. Simple click this option. We have to see the details. Nothing we can do. Just we have to open the mobile usable issues on the Google Search Console option. Another name is called previous is called Google Webmaster. Each and every website, this compulsory we have to do this particular option. One is called we can resolve the issues from your website. After this one, we have to start the validation when it is done by in this particular time. Now click for see details. The click option will be simple steps. What are the pending everything? Start new validation. Once click this start new validation, they will be remove the particular option will be here. Once you have to change the what are the parameter you can get the problems, you have to rectify fix the start new validation. So this compulsory is a main important. What are the mobile usable issues? We have to fix each and every page and we have to fix for start new validation option. This compulsory important each and every website. In a website user, don't focus by the desktop. You have to focus by desktop and the mobile users and the text content will be comfortable by the user friendly and mobile friendly. This is a major important for the you getting errors on the Google Search Console option. The compulsory have to follow instructions and fix the issues on the particular things. This will be valid. This will be errors. Every errors will be checked for your particular option. Once click will be done, see details. We can click for start new validation option. Pass, fail, other. Everything will be here in the particular option. What are the usable issues? Click here. The showing for all pages URL will be here. Complete for 50 pages will be here. Just open the particular pages. Which page you facing problem in this? Just open it. What are the issue will be faced? Just open in the particular web pages and rectify the particular option. So text will be very less. So you mobile friendly or mobile users, they can't understand this content. So that is called you get will be clickable element too close together. So that is a major will mistake for your particular website. The compulsory rectify each and every website users don't give the option will be mobile usable issues. Once coming to mobile usable issues, people cannot read your website content. They can't spend your more time on the public particular website users. Does mean for your increase for bounce rate in the particular website. If you're not spending for your website user minimum 1 minute, you get for more bounce rate in the particular users. So what are the content you can share? Give the valuable content font to the people usable on the desktop and the mobile friendly. There is a issue will be very important key point on the Google Search Console mobile usability issues. Fix and rectify the option will be start validation option. So they will be start the new validation. They show the complete report will be given by the in this Google Search Console option. Please follow instructions and fix the issues on the particular Google Search Console option. If you further any doubts will be required, please ask me in the Digital Rakesh channel. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.